Assalamu alaikum. To find surface area of the cuboid. Now see cuboid. Cuboids are from rectangles. Okay. Now the surface area. So that means we should know how many surface that this cuboid have. Right. Now see. Let's count. For this one, for the side. This one. Also I have from the other side. So that means like this surface there is 2, right? That's why I have done here multiply 2. Now for this one, for the top one, see this is 7, this is 3. So for this one, top and bottom, we also have 2 sides. And then look at the front, 5 3. Likewise at the back you have it, so it is also 2, right? Therefore altogether there are 6 surfaces. Now to find area of to find surface area of this cuboid, it's easy because you find out all of them are rectangle. All the surfaces are made by rectangles. As I told you, cuboids are made from rectangles. Now see, so you can find the area of each rectangle and multiply it by 2 because they have 2 surfaces of each, and then add them. That's all. Right, now let's do, for example, area for this one. The formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth, right? So it is 7 times 5. Now I have 35 here. Now see, I must know that it is centimeter square because we are finding area. Now here, this one, for this rectangle, again the formula is length into breadth. Okay, so length is 7 times 3, so which is equal to 21 centimeter squared. Now for this one, area is length into breadth, which is equal to 5 times 3, which is equal to 15, right, centimeter squared. Now since now I found for one side, so let's multiply it by 2. So for both sides, so which is equal to, that is 35 times 2, right? 35 times 2 is 5 times 2 10, and 1 here 6 7, this is 70. Now 21 times 2 for both the surface, so 2 4 42, and 15 times 2, which is equal to 5 times 2 10, and 1 here, 2 times 1 are 2 3 30, right? So surface area of the cuboid, surface area of the cuboid is equal to 70 plus 42 plus 30. So this means, let's add 70, 42 and 30. When you add, it is 2 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14. So it's equal to 140, 142. Make sure the unit is very important in this kind of numbers. This is centimeter squared. Remember, if it's related to area, it's always squared. Okay, all right, thank you. I hope it's clear.